We're all the same in putting off cleaning the oven. But at some point, the time comes to declare war on the dirt. And thanks to our cleaning app, you'll have your oven gleaming again in no time. It's this easy. We'll start with heavy soiling, such as grease stains or burnt residue. Before starting the cleaning process, make sure that your CombairSteamer has cooled down and is empty. Larger food residue that's easy to remove can be wiped away from the cooking space with a damp cloth. You can remove the shelf guides for better access to the side walls. To do so, turn the knurled nuts on the front of the shelf guides anti-clockwise. Then pull the insertion guides forward at a slight angle to remove them. You can either place the shelf guides on the floor of the cooking space or clean them separately in the sink. Now spray a conventional oven cleaner for enameled surfaces onto the dirty areas. It's best to refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the treatment time. You may set the timer to remind yourself. The cleaner has dissolved the soil. You can now wipe the cooking space clean using a cloth or sponge and clean water. Do not use scouring agents as these will damage the surface. In another how-to video, we will explain how to remove the appliance door to give you better access to the rear corners. And it's best to use a small brush to clean the top of the cooking space. Et voila, your oven is spotless. You can now reinstall the shelf guides and the door. To finish, we recommend starting the steam cleaning program. The steam ensures that any remaining residue from the cleaning agent is completely removed. For light soiling, you can leave all the work to the appliance. Simply select Steam Cleaning in the app. Before starting this cleaning program, check that the oven has cooled down and is empty. The appliance uses steam to actively loosen light soiling. You don't need to use any cleaning agents. After steam cleaning, you can simply wipe the cooking space clean with a cloth to remove any loosened residue. Then open the door slightly and press OK. The cooking space is dried out and your CombairSteamer is ready to use again in no time.